Plumbing emergencies are among the most challenging situations a property owner or manager can face. A burst pipe, overflowing toilet, or sudden water leak doesn't just cause disruption. It can lead to significant property damage, higher repair costs, and upset tenants. In this video, we'll guide you through effective steps to manage plumbing emergencies and share proven strategies to minimize damage, safeguard your property, and maintain tenant satisfaction. 1. Identify early warning signs before they escalate. The best way to manage a plumbing emergency is to prevent it from becoming one. Look for early indicators such as water stains on walls or ceilings, persistent damp smells, unusually high water bills, slow draining sinks, and reduced water pressure. Tenants should be encouraged to report small leaks, drips, or strange noises immediately, as these may signal larger underlying problems. In older Bengaluru properties or those with frequent plumbing repairs, spotting these signs early is critical to avoiding a costly crisis. 2. Create a clear emergency reporting process for tenants. Many costly plumbing disasters occur simply because tenants are unsure what to do when one strikes. Establish and communicate a clear emergency reporting protocol. Tenants should know exactly who to contact, whether it's you, your property management team, or a designated plumber. Include this information in the rental agreement and reiterate it during move-in. Place emergency contact details in a visible spot within the property. This ensures that even if you manage the property remotely, the response will be swift and organized. 3. Locate and maintain main water shutoff valves. One of the quickest ways to control water damage is by shutting off the supply immediately. Both you and your tenants should know where the main water shutoff valve is located. In flats, it's often in the kitchen or utility area. In independent houses, it may be near the water meter. Make sure the valve is functional, rust-free, and accessible. Include simple usage instructions in the tenant welcome kit. This small but vital detail can save you from expensive repairs. 4. Have a trusted plumber available 24/7. Quick access to a dependable plumber is essential for property management in Bengaluru. Maintain a relationship with a professional who understands your property layouts, is available for emergencies, and offers agreed response times. Even a few hours delay in fixing a burst pipe can damage flooring, electrical wiring, and walls. A vetted plumber on standby ensures that emergencies are handled swiftly and professionally. 5. Provide basic tools to limit immediate damage. While tenants are not expected to handle major repairs, having a few basic tools on the property can help them manage minor issues until professional help arrives. Items such as a plunger, pipe sealing tape, or a wrench can contain leaks or unblock drains temporarily. This is not about asking tenants to fix the issue. It's about giving them the means to prevent damage from worsening. 6. Install water leak detection systems. Technology can be an excellent safeguard for plumbing emergencies, particularly for property owners who do not live nearby. Water leak detectors can be placed near high-risk areas, such as geysers, washing machines, and under sinks. These devices alert you or your tenants via smartphone if moisture is detected. Some advanced systems can even shut off the water supply automatically, reducing the risk of serious damage. 7. Keep detailed records of damage and repairs. When a plumbing emergency happens, document every stage, from the initial tenant report to photographs of the damage, repair receipts, and timelines of action taken. This helps with insurance claims and provides transparency if disputes arise. Thorough documentation is also useful if you need to prove negligence or repeated tenant mishandling. 8. Schedule regular plumbing inspections. Preventive maintenance is far more cost-effective than repairing severe damage. Arrange periodic inspections of all plumbing systems, including pipes, taps, geysers, and drainage systems. Watch for rust, corrosion, loose fittings, and slow drainage. Hire a qualified plumber once or twice a year for a complete checkup. Many serious problems develop gradually, so early detection is vital. 9. Choose high-quality plumbing fixtures. Cutting costs on low-grade plumbing materials often leads to bigger expenses later. In areas with fluctuating water pressure or hard water supply, inferior fixtures can deteriorate quickly. Use durable, ISI-certified fittings from trusted brands. The initial investment in quality plumbing pays off through reduced breakdowns and fewer emergencies. 10. Maintain proper drainage and prevent water seepage. Inefficient drainage systems can cause water to stagnate, backflow, or seep into the property structure. Check that all internal and external drains are clear and correctly angled to prevent pooling during the monsoon season in Bengaluru. Ensure terrace drains and outdoor outlets remain unblocked to avoid waterlogging. Bonus tip: consider plumbing insurance for vulnerable properties. If you manage an older property or one with a history of plumbing problems, it may be wise to invest in plumbing-specific insurance coverage. Certain home insurance policies include optional add-ons that cover the cost of emergency repairs and related damages. This can be invaluable for properties with premium interiors or those left unoccupied for extended periods. Plumbing emergencies can happen at any time, but with early detection, a clear response plan, and the right preventive measures, you can minimize damage, reduce repair costs, and keep your tenants happy. If you found this guide useful, please like this video, share it with fellow property owners, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips on property management in Bengaluru. Drop your comments below to share your own plumbing emergency experiences and how you handled them.